should take it slow.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, guys, on the channel. Hopefully you guys are all having an amazing day so far. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Darktable on a Chromebook. Hopefully you guys are all like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you guys never miss another video. And yeah, guys, let's get right into it. So when you guys go on the website, you guys want to search for Debian, and then you want to run that command. But then you want to run the command sudo apt update, and so it's gonna look a little something like this. As you guys can see, I've already installed Darktable because the video wouldn't process that I already did. So whatever. And you guys, you want to do sudo apt update. And if it says you need to upgrade or whatever, say sudo apt upgrade, which I'll do in a minute for you guys. Sudo apt upgrade, and it's going to try to upgrade if it is already upgraded, and it says that. So then you want to run the command sudo apt install. I'm just gonna run it for today's process, and it's gonna say the Darktable is already the newest version, and then it'll say but yeah, guys, I've already done it, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what it actually does. Now, only use my link on this website, darktable.org. Make sure you guys don't use any of these Mac OS or Linux or Mac, Microsoft Windows or Mac OS, because that would be bad for your system and it would not run. So once you guys have it, it will be in your Linux apps. You click Darktable and it will load up. What you guys need to do, so just wait for that to install. Alright, and now it's, as you guys can see, the version is 2.6.0, and this is as you guys can see, Darktable is a Linux app on your Chromebook that helps you edit photos. Yeah, guys, it's a really professional little deal. Hopefully you guys are all subscribed. Hit that bell notifications. If you guys did enjoy the video, smash a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.